My name is Durga, daughter of Sulandi. My meeting number is 19DDT18F2016.
My name is Darshana Reddy Anapuram Chandran. My meeting number 19DDT18F 2014. I'm studying DDT 58.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fakrullah bin Johan. My metric number is 19DDT18F 2017 and I'm from DDT 5A. Introduction. The Internet of Things is maturing and continues to be the latest most hyped concept in the IT world. The IoT can also be considered as a global network which allow the communication between human to human, human to things, and things to things. The system, the framework, has an appropriate wireless of moisture content in the soil through soil moisture sensor. Humidity and temperature sensors set in the root zone of the plants and level of water. Ultrasonic sensor is set in the tank for checking the water level in the box. The data will gather from the sensors and sent to the web server cloud in Favor IoT.
Problem statement. There are three. First, most of the days there are no technology to monitor plantation or gardening. This was difficult for all the farmers and suppliers those days. Furthermore, manpower was increasing because agriculture was getting bigger and it's been disputed worldwide. The second one, besides most of the agriculture were destroyed due to lack amount of water and more amount of water. Those days the farmer do not know the accurate amount of water all different types of plants. Third one, lastly, based on problems that arise in agriculture now, weather in the world sometimes hard to give. So farmers can use the any technology things of the plant's conditions manually. Objective, there are three. First, to record the environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, soil moisture sensor, and water level flow. For temperature, humidity, we control roller blind. Soil moisture sensor, we control water level. Second one, to monitor the moisture sensor detects the moisture of the soil in a plant pot and send the signal to microcontroller that display the cloud database in Favor IoT. Control the freshness of plant by using the automatic roller blind function to prevent the hot sun from being exposed to the plant. Methodology, we use agile development. There are six. First, requirements. Based on discussion, they gathered the information about smart plant monitoring system project. We are learning and do some research from the our similar project, which is available on the internet. Design and architecture. This project will be conducted by using two separate parts which are software and hardware. The hardware we will use in this project is conducted by components. 3. Quality assurance and software testing. In this stage, after the prototype was built, we will test our prototype to ensure this project workability and stability. If there are any problem in testing, we will fix the error and configure the system again. Number 4. Development and coding. When the plant monitoring system is powered on, which means connect USB cable to the computer, water level through Arduino software that help coding about water our plants. Implements. After testing, the main function of smart plant monitoring system is combine the main component with the USB cable through computer, connect Arduino software so that they communicate between the hardware and software to successful, and so it has detected any moisture we have recorded through Arduino. It is alert the system. The moisture inside the soil moisture sensor is reduced and get records from Favor IoT. Number 6. Maintain and support. We keep all the related documentation of this project for the further review. The documentation will use to reference for uploading the systems.
Okay, our project scope consists of 3: farmers, administrator, and potential users. For the farmers, who is manage farm, ranches, greenhouse, nurseries, and other agricultural production organization. A farmer thus vary according to the type of operation. A farmer who raises only crop will be responsible for preparing land for planting, caring for the crops, and harvesting. Second is administrator. Administrator is owner of the nursery that is responsible of overseeing the day-by-day operation of a nursery. These horticultural specialists hire and train nursery workers, grow plants, create display, respond to customer queries, and manage stock levels. Third is potential users. Customer who has hobby gardening is an activity that is good for both the mind and body and can be enjoyed by people of all age.
Today I want to present about smart plant monitor system. This is my prototype. Okay, I use a Arduino. Then my microcontrol is a ESP32. Okay, today I want to show how to the demo. Okay, this system have three functions. First is the soil moisture DHT11 and the roller blind. Roller blind when the temperature is 33 is more than the roller blind, automatic is down because of the sunlight is the temperature is high. When the Celsius 33 is less than, the roller blind is low, then the roller blind went up. Okay, if the temperature between is 33 Celsius and between 33 is a normal temperature, we can show the normal. The roller blind is nothing happen, it's a maintenance. Okay, today I want to show the demo. I want to see. Okay, first I want to click upload. Okay. When the ESP32 when it upload, must upload when use the button in the microcontroller is a ESP boot. Okay. How's funny? Okay, I want to show. Now is the connection is now active. I want to connect the ESP32. Okay, I want to try. Bila saya tekan the button is EN. Okay, the automatic has the one connection. The one connection is ESP32 Arduino. Okay, in my handphone is already connect. Okay, today I want to see here. Okay, this is the serial monitor. When the control shift and this is the serial monitor. Okay, ini ialah humidity, temperature, the heat index. Kalau the moisture value is the 495. This is when the 495 is the temperature is a low. We see the temperature is a low. So the roller blind automatic is the stay up. When the temperature is more than the 30, the LCD well can display high. Okay, now I want to show the Fire IoT cloud. There is the Firebase. Okay, this is my cloud Firebase IoT. Okay, now it's time. Okay, this is in my favorite cloud IoT can read humidity, soil moisture, then temperature, then the time. What time the record? This is my record. You can see the different serial monitor and the okay. This is the different. Okay, this is my favorite. Okay, ni soil moisture dia. Bila tanah dia kering, dia punya automatic dia punya water akan supply. So dia tahu kalau tanah dia kering, so dia punya water automatic supply. Ini ialah DHT11, boleh baca kita punya temperature and humidity berapa. Okay, The soil moisture detects soil become the dry. ESP32 will send the signal to the motor connected with the water pump via the motor drive, send water to the plant pot. Okay, soil moisture sensor detect moisture ESP32 signal to the water connected with the pump via motor driver, stop water to the pot. The end of the every loop of the code running process in the ESP32, the ESP32 will send the data of the temperature sensor by temperature sensor DHT11, humidity detect by temperature sensor DHT11, and soil moisture sent by soil moisture sensor to the cloud server IoT. Okay, the last is the Favo IoT will show all the data in the cloud at any time at the user check in the Google.
Okay, in conclusion about the case study of plant is that people have no time to know the plant grow, which is necessary for plants. If there are no plants on the earth, we face many problems like we cannot breathe, air will not clear, we cannot get fruit, vegetable and others. Develop a smart plant monitoring system done in Arduino software. After that, the records can monitor in the Favo IoT cloud database on the internet about temperature, humidity and water level of plant and soil.